Hey everyone, this is just a short tutorial on how to use Kumu Space for our upcoming event. So first thing that you want to do is to head to kumuspace.com, click on the try for free button, and either sign up with your email address, your Google account, or Facebook account. I already have an account, so I right away log in. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile page with all available spaces. That most likely will be empty for you. Once you've done that, you can right away type in the link that we will send you for our event, which will bring you to the landing platform. The landing platform asks you to give permissions for your microphone and your video so that we can join. And if you want to change your name, you can do that here too. So let's join. Once we're joined, we're in the lobby. The lobby shows you all available rooms. For us, it is only one room, so let's head in there. Once we're entering the room, we hear the doorbell ring, basically signing that we're here, and we can move around using the arrow keys. You can also move around by clicking on different areas or using the map feature here in the top right and basically move wherever we clicked. You also see that there is a circle around my video camera, which basically indicates the area that I can hear, so the spatial audio. As I move closer to the piano, I hear that. You also have the function to interact with different icons, which gives a really great experience, and different areas here that I can use to mingle with specific people. Once we are going to the interactive part, you will basically see a broadcasting video from one of our hosts popping up here on the bottom right, and the audio will most likely be changed to whole room. You also have the opportunity to chat with people here using the chat on the bottom left, or search for specific people and see if they are already here by clicking on the people icon. Lastly, you also have the opportunity to share any reactions here while we're conversing, and you can obviously mute yourself or turn off your camera as you want to. With that, that's basically all you have to know about Kumo Space, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.